Hello guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 5 minus 7 parenthesis 5 minus 7. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you are new in my channel, then before watching the video kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you are genius then stop the video and comment of this question. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then I can solve these questions step by step. So do not forget this video, skip this video and watch complete. So our solution is, guys, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So in this expression, firstly we can solve parentheses. So I can write here 5 minus 7 parentheses 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Okay, now guys, 5 minus 7 times 2, which is equal to 14, but minus 14 and minus is 14 plus 14. So plus 14 and 5 is 19. So our final answer of this expression is 19. Guys, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of amazing videos.